Hi, I'm Pete, founder of Great American Nosh. Thanks for joining us today. We continue with our Learning to Grill series. Again, we have our Weber kettle grill, and today we are going to do boneless pork chops. So get that chimney going, get that fire going, let's get going. So let's talk about the cook. As you saw, we had a boneless pork loin that I got at the butchery. Again, free advertising. Anyway, as you can see, that's a very lean cut of meat. Now there's some fat on it, but for the most part, a loin actually sits on the back or the top of the ribs of a pig. And that muscle, like the tenderloin, doesn't get as much exercise as other muscles of the pig. So it's a very lean cut. It's not like that pulled pork that we made in another video, where you had a lot of connective tissues, fat, tendons that you had to render out over time. This cooks really quick, so you definitely have to keep an eye on it. So let's talk about the cook. All right, so what we have is we're gonna do a direct fire side, and then we're gonna do an indirect fire side. So what we're gonna do is we are going to sear the pork chop, one side, both sides, maybe get some grill marks on it, and then we're gonna move it over to the indirect side to finish cooking. Now these pork chops are gonna be about inch plus thick, so I think that's the best way to cook it, because if not, if you try to do direct side on for something that thick, you will actually char that outside so much that actually you're gonna have the inside that won't be cooked. We are shooting for an internal temp about 145, 150 to be safe, according to USDA, but I always shoot for 145, give it a bit of 20-minute rest, and you're gonna be safe. So let's show you how to do it. Here we go, folks. The moment of truth. We're gonna try some pork chops that I put on the grill. It probably took like 10 minutes or so.
That flavor is awesome. I love the flavor of a charcoal grill. It's that wood flavor that really adds so much more to a pork chop than on a skillet. You know, cooked on a stovetop. Eat, drink, savor.